Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another video of the love of sewing and craft. My name is Sendy Sempai, and today we are going to embroider a kitchen towel. The items we will need are a kitchen towel, our applique fabric, stabilizer, and our embroidery hoop. Now let's go to the embroidery machine. The first thing we need to do is to hoop our stabilizer, and you can see that we have two pieces of stabilizer here. Place your embroidery hoop on your machine and get your embroidery pattern ready. Now we are going to follow the instructions of our embroidery design. The first thing we need to do is to embroider the embroidery placement. The next thing we will do is to place our kitchen towel with the corner in the embroidery placement. The next thing is to place your applique fabric on top of your kitchen towel and make sure that it's smooth. And then we are going to stitch out our embroidery outline. Make sure your fabric stays smooth in your hoop. And surely make sure that you don't put your fingers in the way of the needle. Next thing is to cut out our excess fabric. The next thing we will do is to finish embroidering our kitchen towels by constantly changing the colors and let it embroider. So enjoy! This is what our finished embroidery design look like. Let me clean it up and I'll show you what our kitchen towel look like. These are our finished embroidered and clean kitchen towels. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notification so you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.